Hi, I'm Camille.
Michaela.
Christine.
I am an art director.
Finance professional.
Actor.
Medical student.
DJ.
I am the Helen Bernstein librarian for periodicals and journals for the General Research Division at the New York Public Library.
I've been using the bullet journal for less than a year.
I started when I went back to work after having my second son.
Bullet journaling is a way to organize how you do life.
It's a journal that has an index.
It makes me almost feel like a CEO of myself.
I was always someone that would make lists on random pieces of paper and stick them on my phone or in my bag.
Having everything in one place has really cut down on a level of stress for me, and also makes everything in my life seem like the same life.
Some mornings are so tiring, I just need to be reminded of what I can eat. So here's my list of things that we can eat for breakfast, lunches, and dinners. And so then I also have a list of recipes to try.
I had a page called books. My goals are 50 books a year.
New movies, new music.
Birthdays and anniversaries.
I've seen really great wedding planning spreads.
You can find something that isn't too embarrassing.
I won't show you my passwords page.
The chemical elements, because I needed to prove I could learn it faster than somebody else.
Currently, I'm trying out a study technique called Pomodoro.
So every day I track my mood, and I thought I was gonna see a lot more of a pattern, but I guess I'm just happy most of the time.
My nieces started me on bullet journaling, and now it's become like a family experience. We get together once a week since we're all in school and always studying all the time, and we dedicate some time to hang out with each other, and we just have stickers and tape and look for inspiration.
So this is my goodbye to the Pacific Northwest. And when I moved to New York, I started looking at fire escapes and the skyline, and I found that there are little moments of beauty. Looking for those has helped me transition.
My dog passed away in October, so I dedicated a space in my bullet journal for him. I think it helped get my emotions out, but it was also giving me closure.
My one tip for someone who's starting bullet journaling is experiment.
Try out things, but be flexible as well.
Switch it up. If you make a weekly layout that you don't use, then don't use it again.
Just let it go where it wants to go. Don't worry about making it look perfect. No one cares except you.
It's okay to make mistakes. I make them all the time.
Oh, I think I spelled December wrong.
I spelled February wrong.
Or I spelled one of these wrong. But it was just so pretty, I couldn't fix it.
Give your little creative muscle a flex.
Let yourself loose, go free.
You know, hundreds of years people have kept journals. You matter enough to have a little bit of your life written down.